Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how you doing today? You guys, I want to talk about my new Coach bag, and it is a Klare Colorblock Crossbody. And if you guys want to know my thoughts on it and more information about this bag, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
Alright y'all, let's get into this video. Before I get into this video, I must first say, Pauline Newman, this is your fault. You guys, I am going to leave Pauline Newman's channel information in the description box. If you are a lover of Coach bags, you'd most definitely have to check her out. She had this bag on her channel a while back, and I was like, oh my god, I want that bag, I want that bag. Well, the bag was sold out and I could not find it anywhere. And you know who slid in my DMs and was like, the bag is back? Pauline Newman. So Pauline, I got her. We twinning. Y'all, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. So first of all, the bag is called the Klare it's a crossbody, and it's in Colorblock. Now the reason why it's Colorblock, because if you look at it, you got the yellow, and then I'm gonna open it up, you got blue, white, and then on the sides, y'all, we got like this mauve tone right here, and then you got a light pink tone right here. I love this mustard, and then on the back of it is like an off-white shade. And they do have this in different colors, and they do have it in the signature print. So this bag retails for 350 bucks. See if you can see that. But of course, y'all know I did not pay that much for the bag. The bag is $140 right now on sale, but then I had some kind of coupon or something. I don't know how I ended up with a coupon, but let me cover up all my stuff so I can show you. I paid $130 for it. Yeah, so I was very happy. So now let's talk about this beautiful bag, y'all. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like, first of all, just look at her. Look at her. So different. The first thing I want to talk about is the strap. So you see that this is a gun metal strap, y'all. That's what I loved about it right there. It's not silver, it's not gold, it's gun metal. But yet it still has the leather at the top, where when you would carry it, the leather part would sit right on your shoulder. So I just think that's so unique and so gorgeous how it's made, the strap is made. So the strap is gunmetal, and it does have the two little hoops where it go through. And if you want to, you could carry it like this. You know, you don't have to carry, you could just carry it in your hands or right like that. So that versatility, I do like that. And another thing that I really liked about it was that the Coach tag on this bag is also in gunmetal, as well as the Coach logo is in gunmetal. Now, when you open this bag up, it has the nice lining in it, and you got one. This is the first pocket where you see the Coach logo right there, right? And then you have another pocket right here. And then you actually have, this right here is a zipper pocket right there. And then you have a pocket in the front. So how many pockets is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And even right here, there's a little bitty pocket right there that actually has some Coach information. And then when you turn it on the back, you also get an additional pocket back here. So you guys, you have a lot of pockets in this bag. Even though it's not a really huge bag, but you have a lot of space. I feel like it's going to be able to put a lot of stuff in here. I really wanted this bag because I feel like this is a great date night bag. You know what I'm saying? And by having the multicolors, you can wear it with different outfits. Like I'm gonna take a page from Pauline. Pauline always gives you like an outfit that you can kind of rock this with. So okay, Pauline, this is what I'm thinking. This bag right here with some nice denim jeans and a nice, like, either any color. I really would like a cream color tank up under it with a really nice blazer. I think this would look so cute like that, and a pair of nice little heels. She cute for date night, you know what I'm saying? Casual but dressed up a little bit, and I think this bag will give that whole look a nice pop. So Pauline and everybody else, you guys tell me what you think about that. So you guys, that's basically the end of this review. It's not even a review. I just wanted to show and share her with you. Now, she is sold out, but she was sold out before. But if you don't like the multicolor, they do have some in solid colors, and they do have some in the signature print. So you can just go and look at the other Klare bags, crossbody bags, and see if there's one that you like. But I really love this one because I feel like this is just so unique. Yeah, I love all these different colors. And I love the strap being gunmetal. Like, what? Ooh, she's cute. So y'all, that is it. Let me know if you are thinking about picking this bag up. Let me know if you already have the bag. And let me know if you know who Pauline is. And if you don't, I'm going to need for y'all to go to her channel and subscribe to her channel because she's amazing. When I say she's amazing, she's amazing. And if you like luxury makeup, that's your girl as well. So that is it, guys. I need for you to follow me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I truly do appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed yet, girl, you just need to hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.